In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install games in BlueStacks 5. BlueStacks 5 is a powerful Android emulator that allows you to play mobile games on your computer. Installing games can be done in 3 easy methods. Each method has its unique steps, and I will walk you through them one by one. First, let's go through the process of installing a game from the BlueStacks Store. Begin by opening BlueStacks 5. You will see the familiar home screen with various icons. This is where you can access all the features of BlueStacks. Once it is open, look for the BlueStacks Store icon on the home screen. This icon is usually colorful and easy to spot. Click on it to enter the store. Now you can either use the search bar at the top to find a specific game or browse through the available titles. This browsing option allows you to discover new games you might not have thought to search for. Once you find the game you want, select it to open its details page. Here you can see more information about the game, including ratings and descriptions. Click the Install button to start the installation process. Once the installation is complete, the game will appear on your home screen, ready for you to play. Next, let's explore how to install a game from the Google Play Store. Start by opening BlueStacks 5 again. This time you will want to click on the System Apps folder found on the home screen. Inside, you will see various apps, including the Play Store. Open the Play Store to access millions of games and apps. If prompted, sign in with your Google account. This step is essential because it allows you to download games from the Play Store just like you would on any Android device. After signing in, use the search bar to find the game you want to install. Once you locate it, click the Install button. When the download finishes, the game icon will appear on your BlueStacks home screen and you can start playing immediately. This method is particularly useful because it gives you access to the vast library of games available on the Play Store. Now, let's move on to the third method, which is installing a game using an APK or XAPK file. This method is especially helpful if the game you want isn't available in the Play Store. First, download the game's APK or XAPK file from a trusted source on your computer. Ensure that the source is reliable to avoid downloading any harmful files. After downloading, open BlueStacks 5 again. Now, look for the Install APK option on the right side toolbar. Click this option to initiate the installation process. A file browser will open, allowing you to locate the downloaded APK or XAPK file. Browse to the file and click Open. Wait for the installation to complete. Once it is finished, the game will also appear on your home screen. This method allows you to install games that might not be listed in the official app stores. As an alternative, you can also drag and drop the APK or XAPK file directly onto the BlueStacks window. This makes the installation process even quicker and more intuitive. Finally, to launch the game, return to the home screen, click the game's icon, and you are all set to start playing. Enjoy your gaming experience in BlueStacks 5.